Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to synchronize Google account on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, you can open the settings option. And then here you can scroll down. After that you can choose the tap account and backup option. And then here you can select manage account option. After that, choose the account you want synchronized with your device. And then you can click here, and then click on three dots at the top right corner. Okay, and then you can click synchronize now. And then the Google account has been synchronized with your device. That's the tutorial on how to synchronize Google account on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.